Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an Italian beef and an Italian sausage sandwich, like Chicago. Alright, so these are what you're going to need right here. Bottom roast right here, beef roast. And here's my Italian sausage, right? Of course, you're going to need some of these Toronto French rolls. I'm just showing you a few of these things. I got like 2 packs of those and 2 packs of these right here. You're going to need some celery. Not for sure how many you're going to need. You probably only need about 3 of these. You're going to need some au juice base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 9 cloves of garlic. You're going to need some green bell pepper and probably 1 onion. You don't really need the onion because the onion really don't come on it, but you can put on your Italian sausage. I like olives in my giardiniera, so I got some olives, and here's my giardiniera right here. Also, you're gonna need some beef bouillon, like a teaspoon of that, and 2 cups of hot water. And all I did is stir that up. Okay. You're gonna need some olive oil. You're gonna need some black pepper, some thyme, Italian seasoning, granulated onion, celery salt, granulated garlic, some red crushed pepper. Alright, so that's what you're going to need. I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. I did let mine sit off room temperature for about a good 2 hours. So I'm go ahead and get this stuff together when we start prepping on this. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I did forget to tell you about the carrots that I had. So my fault on that one. So these ain't nothing but like 4 little carrots, 4 or 5 little carrots chopped up, okay? This is gonna make our juice that much better, okay? Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come with this knife. What I like to do, I like to make like little slits and stuff in there. Just like this. You know, just all around it. The reason why I do that is because when I put the seasoning and all this stuff in, I wanted to creep down up in these little holes, these little slits. Alright? Alright. So I'm going to come in here with some of our juice. Not a whole lot, just a little bit because we got that beef stuff over there. So what I like to do, I like to try to put it in these little holes, like so. Yep, Chicago style Italian beef and Italian sausage. Alright, now, since we got all this other stuff, I don't really need no salt, so I'm not going to mess with the salt. I'm going to take some of this olive oil, put it over here, just like that, maybe like 2-3 tablespoons. Okay, we're going to come in here with some granulated garlic, like a teaspoon of that. Alright. Granulated onion, teaspoon. We're going to come in here with some of this celery salt, teaspoon. Alright. Let's try some of this black pepper, teaspoon. We're going to build us a nice little crust on here. Thyme. I'm telling you guys, I don't even buy Italian beef no more because I makes it. And mine tastes a whole lot better. I'm not going to lie to you. Make it and find out for yourself. You won't buy it either. I'm giving you guys this secret for real, for real. And I've been doing this for quite some time. Alright. So a teaspoon of this as well. This is some Italian seasoning, and I have some red crushed pepper flakes, like so. You want to stick on there a little bit better. Put a little bit more olive oil on there. Okay. All you're doing, guys. You ain't gotta rub this down, nothing. I'm gonna come in here with some garlic. 1 over there, 1 over here, 1 over here. Couple of reserve some for my sausage. Just like that. Some celery. And our carrots. All right. We're gonna put our broth in here. And we're gonna cook this guy on 400 for about an hour. So make sure your oven's preheated. And when this gets done, we're gonna take it out and let it rest. And then we get started on our other stuff. That's all it is to it. All right. So you guys, well, I'm going to show you that up close. That's how you pretty much looking up on top, okay? All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, what I'm doing here, this don't have nothing to do with the recipe, okay? But I know some of the people in my family don't like hot peppers. You know, although I'm gonna make some sweet peppers, I'm just making a little quick jardiniere, little recipe, a little mild one, or whatever. So I'm just cutting up this bell pepper pretty much. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And it does take 2 days for this to be done. Okay, not this right here, but I'm gonna let it sit overnight anyway. So I will leave a link and show you guys how to make a jardiniere from scratch. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do this and probably put a few olives in this one. All right, guys. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, fam, I'm back. That's the Italian beef right there. This is done. Okay. Let me go and test that out real quick. Yep, kind of firm in there. I want it to be like medium rare in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is take this out of here when it cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge. Okay? Overnight. See you guys in a minute, which will be tomorrow for me. Okay, fam, I am back. We're gonna go ahead and get started on these bell peppers and slice this Italian beef up. Okay? All right, let me move this out the way, and I'll be right back. We'll get started on this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start doing this. Here's my sausage. I need to go ahead and put this in the oven. Italian sausage. I'm cooking at 400 degrees in the oven, and we're gonna flip them. All right. Take these, put those in there. And we're gonna cook these on top of the stove in a skillet. All right. Go ahead and finish doing these, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, here's my bell peppers. Then just go ahead and do this onion. You just take these onions, come in there like so. Just like that, guys. Alright, and I'll probably cook these first if I want to mix them up with the bell peppers. Now these onions are optional. Alright, so those are onions right there. Onions and bell peppers. Alright, now like I told you guys, I made some more jardiniere right here. Okay, it's my homemade recipe. And I also have the hot one. See how those look. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this meat out. Alright, as you can see, you probably can't see it from there, but like the meat, you see how them lines is? Okay? We're not gonna cut it that way, we're gonna cut it this way. Always go against the grain, okay guys? Alright, take you guys over there, show you how to cut this up. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Just gonna dial this down to super thin. See what that looks like. Thinner than that. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh yeah. That's super thin, guys, right there. Okay. See that? how you want those. We're going to keep on cutting on this. Yep. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and complete this and show you guys how everything looks. See you in a minute. Okay fam, I'm done slicing up all the meat. And this is all the meat right here. Plenty of it. Look at this. I'm trying to tell you. Super thin. Medium rare. Super thin. Okay? Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start working on these bell peppers and onions. Our other stuff is still in the oven. I do have the odd juice. Let me show you guys that. Here's my odd juice right here. I had it in the refrigerator, that's why it looks like that. But I'm going to warm it up. I did add 2 more cups of water to this. And a teaspoon of that odd juice base. Alright, so that's that. And I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'll put just a half a teaspoon of oil in there. I'm going to put my onions in here. We're going to work on those first. I'm just going to cook these till they like get a little char on them. Then I'm going to take them out. That's it. I'm on medium. About 3-4 minutes, depending on how charred you want yours. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, these charred enough for me. See, the less oil you use, the more char they get. I'm just going to take these out and we get started on our bell peppers. Alright, I'm coming in with some olive oil. I don't want these really charred. So I'm coming with like 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Put my peppers in there. You just really want these like translucent, softened. And I will put some of the odd juice in here as well. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the salt and stuff to help these break down a little bit faster. This is sea salt. I'm going to put like a teaspoon of that on there. Use pepper, black pepper. Like so. Like a quarter of that. I'm going to come in here with a little granulated garlic as well. Give it some flavor. Alright. And that's it. We're going to let these cook and break down. And so there's our juice in here. Alright guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam. Just took these out the oven. Just want to flip these. See how they stick. Just want to flip them. It was in there for about 15 minutes. We're going to cook them for another 15 minutes on the other side. Alright guys. Get some breathing room. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, we're getting super soft now. I did put a cup of our juice in there and let it break down. It's been going for now for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, when I come back, I'll show you how to put all this stuff together. The Italian beef and Italian sausage in my home. In a minute. Okay fam, I am back. Let's go ahead and start putting this Italian beef and Italian sausage together. Alright, now with this broth right here, I got it nice and hot. Do not let this broth come to a boil, okay? Okay, you hear me? Please don't do that. You're gonna mess up your meat. Alright, so all I did was I just took some of this meat. It cooks up super fast. And I just stuck it, put it in here, that's all. It's like this. Alright, and stirred it around. That's it. It cooks almost instantly when you put it in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this to beef real quick. So you just want to take you some meat. Put that in there. Just like that. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take my Italian sausage. I'm going to come in here with bell pepper. A couple of onions. Like so. Take this one, Italian sausage, put that in there. Take me some more bell peppers. Put that in there. A couple of grilled onions. And if you want some peppers and all that stuff, you can put that on there as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this mild one on here. So that's the Italian sausage right there. Now with this beef, all you're going to do is come in here with some of this giardiniera. Put you some of that on there. And that's it. You got your Italian sausage and your Italian beef right there. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and set this on a plate and show you guys how to look and close it out. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done with this Italian beef and Italian sausage. Chicago style. But from P-Town. Anyway, that's why I don't even buy them no more. I make them at home. And they taste way better. So that's how that looks. It's Italian sausage. Got our juice right here on the side. This is Italian sausage, my fault. That's Italian beef. I'm tripping. So that's how that looks, fam. Alright. So guys, if you like this video of the best Italian beef and Italian sausage, please hit this bell for me. Just like that. Hit it. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Guys, happy cooking.